Hello everyone, my name is Sayyid Ashar and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to design a casual designer top. I have seen this request on a common Facebook page. Uh, I thought let's give it a try and make a video on. So as you can see on the screen, this is the photograph of that top and it is really interesting. It may look a little bit tricky, but once you know how to manipulate your dart, how to use your dart, I think you will be able to achieve any design. And this is one of the dart manipulation design that we are going to make. Let's understand the design first. We can see that we have off shoulder, one side off shoulder top, and the other portion of the top we have an extended sleeve. It is not attached separately, it is an extended sleeve of the bodice itself, and then on the other shoulder we have a knot extension from the top itself. So let's start. One thing that this design is asymmetrical, so as we know, when we are making an asymmetrical design we have to copy our full basic borders. So let's start with it. First we are going to trace our basic borders completely. So I will first draw the sketch so that I can keep it in front. So this is our design. I'm sorry, not very good with the sketches, but I hope you will understand this. Okay, and the front and the back are same. Both have the same design. So starting with the neckline first. So it's somewhere over here. From there, here we are having a broad neckline which is going off shoulder on the other end. So let's first draw that. I'm going to mark freehand first. Okay, and I will end at the lower side of the armhole, about 1 inch below the mid of armhole. I think this is correct. And then I will highlight the line. Well, I think this is good. So this portion is not required. We are going to remove this. Now let's, first thing we are going to shift these darts over here. I'm not cutting this panel right now because we are going to need extra fabric over here. So first thing is, extra paper over here. First thing we are going to shift our dart over here. So simple process. Okay, and now we are going to close this dart. Okay, so we can see we have an opening over here, and this opening is going to serve as the knot. So watch the video till end and you will understand. Okay, we will coming to this part, we are also going to shift this dart to this point. Again we are going to make that line. Okay, so now we are going to remove this area. Okay, so let's cut it like this only. We are going to extend this line. We will just extend this line and we will cut it. Okay, now we have a long fabric over here so that we can tie it on the arm. So what we are going to do, we are going to place this piece of paper over here and we are just going to extend this part. So we'll see how we are going to extend it. First we are going to cut this armhole, small part of armhole like this. Okay, and then we will just paste this piece of fabric. And then we will just paste this piece of extra paper. Okay, we are going to extend it from from here, and you have to decide how long you have to go. This is the side seam point of armhole, and then we are going to extend this also, and whatever shape you want to provide at the end you can provide it, like it has a diagonal shape. We are going to extend it a little more later on. Okay, and then we are going to cut this. We will blend it with this neckline nice and properly, and then we are going to cut it. Okay, we are going to cut this side also. Again you can nicely blend it with the with the side seam. Okay, before cutting side seam we have to understand that our top is loose and this basic bodice pattern is very fitted, so we have to just extend whatever loosing we want. So like I'm extending it as 1 inches, one block over here, and then we are just going to join it with the upper point of the side seam, and now we can cut it. Okay, Same case, we are first going to paste a small amount of fabric under this part. Okay, now we have to draw the extended sleeve. Simple, we will just extend our sleeve length from here. Suppose this is a 6.5 inches sleeve length. We will just, I think 6.5 is too much. Let's keep it as 6 inches. And we are just going to draw this. And we are then going to blend it from the armhole. We can just make a nice curve. And you can provide a nice curve here. I don't suggest joining it directly from the side seam point, but it is better if we actually blend it from the armhole itself like this. Okay. Again over here also we have to extend 1 inches or 1 block, whatever we extended over here. Where we will mark it, and then we are going to join it from this point, and we will just extend this part. Okay. Okay, so I hope you have understood this design. This part is little small. We can always extend this. I would like to extend this because this is really small. This will go a little more. Okay, let's paste a piece of paper. And then we are going to extend it to a nice length where we can actually tie it, and we can actually also have a knot. Yeah, I think this length is perfectly fine. And whatever shape you want to give over here, you can provide it. It can be round, it can be in design it is like this, pointed. Okay, so this is it. I'm ready with my pattern. This will be the grain line. Now in case this is extended sleeve, if you want to provide a little bit of shape, if you want to provide a little bit of shape to this sleeve, you can always provide it. I won't suggest you to go very deep. You can just go about 3 blocks or half inches like this, and we can just join it from this part, from the lowest shoulder point. This is it, and then we will just remove this part. So this is it. This is all in this design, and same technique, same process will be used in the back pattern as well. We have to shift dart over the armhole, and we have to shift dart over this armhole, and then we have to trace this neckline, and the same extension will be provided in the back as well. So I hope you have understood, and I hope I have justified the design. So till next video, keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep sharing. Thank you very much.